Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the administrative setup part, the what is the duties and responsibilities of engineers and contractor and owner. In this class we discussed about the what are the government sector for civil engineer, who is the civil engineer can work, the state public work department, state irrigation department, public health department, National Highway Authority of India, cell NTPC, IVCL, ONGC, Power Grid, NACL, NLC, NMDC, BHEL, BPCL, Coal India Limited, HPCL. Those are the most companies, and also the railway and banking sector offer high employment opportunity for the engineer fresher and experience. The most of the job for civil engineer in the government sector is going through the railway, CPWD, MES, NHAI and CWC. So these are the central organization, and PWD, water supply, irrigation are the major state government job which is going through under the civil engineering job. Normally, on the basis of PWD, the irrigation department and the water supply department is going through that. There are a lot of opportunity for civil engineer within the public sector. The public sector undertaking PSUs shall be addressed. For some of them, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, also called BPCL, Coal India Limited, CIL, and Dakshin Gujarat Vis Company Limited, DGVCL, and Delhi Development Authority, DDA, and Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC. Those are the companies which appoint civil engineer. Also other companies, Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited, Heavy Engineering Corporation Limited, and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO, then Krishna Bharati Corporative, Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation, National Alumini Companies, and National Building Construction Corporation, National Fertilizer Ltd, National Highway Authority of India, National Project Construction Companies, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, Odisha Power Generation Corporation Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Power Grid. So those are the sector for the civil engineer. But here we only going through the five major civil engineer sector, and some private sector also available for the civil engineer. The private sector L&T, Tata Construction Limited, and Simplex Construction Limited, Gavon India Limited. Those are the private sector for the civil engineer. And in case of the civil engineer service which come under the central government, on may get to serve in one of these organization: Border Road Engineering Service, Central Engineering Service, Central Engineering Service for the Ministry of Road Transport Highway, Central Water Engineering Service, Central Water Commission, Indian Defence Service Engineer, Military Engineering Service, the Indian Ordnance Factory Service, or also called it IOFS, Indian Railway Service of Engineer, Indian Railway Store Service, Survey of India, Indian Inspection Service. Those are the much more sector for the civil engineer. So here the civil engineer, for the civil engineer much more work, but we have to study good, then we go for the any sector. We guys have to try, then you guys can do a job in any government sector or any private sector which to suitable for you and your family also. So here we discussed about the government sector. Then we discussed about what are the need of the civil engineering. The basic need of civil engineering is for the construction, for road work, and for the irrigation work. It is the basic need of the civil engineering. Or also preparation of site modification required for site condition and obtain clearance civil engineering. But those are the civil engineering have become one civil engineer need a bachelor degree in civil engineering in one of its specialists or in civil engineering technology. So here we discuss about the government sector and civil engineering. So here the today's chapter is complete. The chapter 4 is completed. Then the total estimation 1 is completed. Thank you all.